Yo, what's up everybody? It's Elite Vibes. Today, we're diving deep into a world of pure power. The kind of power that'll make your jaw drop. We're talking about the top 7 most powerful weapons in America. Think stealthy submarines lurking in the depths of the ocean, armed with enough firepower to level entire cities. Imagine bomber planes that disappear right before your eyes, dropping bombs with pinpoint accuracy before the enemy even knows what hit them. And that's just the beginning. We're about to embark on a wild ride through America's arsenal, showcasing the kind of technology that seems straight out of a sci-fi movie. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to be amazed because things are about to get seriously intense. From the depths of the ocean to the skies above, America's arsenal is packed with unimaginable power. Get ready to witness a display of might that will leave you in awe. First up, we're going underwater, deep underwater. Imagine being hundreds of feet below the surface, surrounded by darkness and pressure, knowing you hold the fate of nations in your hands. That's the reality for the crews of the Ohio-class submarines, America's silent underwater assassins. These things are huge, longer than a football field and packed with more firepower than you can imagine. We're talking about 24 Trident II missiles, each capable of carrying multiple nuclear warheads. These missiles can travel thousands of miles, hitting targets with pinpoint accuracy, all while staying completely hidden beneath the waves. Can you imagine the tension, the silence? Knowing you have the power to launch a weapon that could change the course of history, it's mind-blowing. These submarines are the ultimate deterrent, the silent guardians that keep America safe, while most people have no idea they even exist. And get this, these submarines are so stealthy they can stay submerged for months at a time. They're like underwater ghost towns, silently patrolling the depths, ready to strike at a moment's notice. The Ohio-class submarines are out there, silent and deadly, a testament to American ingenuity and a powerful reminder that freedom isn't free. From the depths of the ocean, we're taking to the skies. But we're not talking about your average passenger plane. Get ready to meet the B-2 Spirit, a bomber so advanced, so stealthy, it's practically invisible to radar. Imagine this, enemy radar systems scanning the skies looking for threats, but the B-2 Spirit slips through undetected, like a phantom in the night. This thing is a technological marvel, with a shape that deflects radar signals and special materials that absorb them. It's like something out of a superhero movie, where the hero just disappears into thin air. But this is real life, and the B-2 Spirit is a game changer in the world of aerial warfare. And don't let its sleek design fool you. This thing is a beast when it comes to firepower. We're talking about the ability to carry both conventional and nuclear bombs, a payload that can cripple enemy defenses and change the course of a conflict in an instant. The B-2 Spirit is a true testament to American innovation, a symbol of our commitment to staying ahead in the ever-evolving world of military technology. It's a flying fortress that represents the best of what America has to offer, a beacon of hope in a world that can sometimes feel uncertain. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the world of unmanned warfare, where machines rule the skies and battles are fought from miles away. Meet the MQ-9 Reaper drone, a remotely piloted aircraft that's changing the face of modern warfare. This thing is a lethal predator, capable of carrying out surveillance, combat, and precision strikes with deadly accuracy. It soars through the sky, silently and invisibly, guided by a team of skilled operators. We're talking Hellfire missiles, laser-guided bombs, the kind of firepower that can take out enemy targets with pinpoint accuracy. The MQ-9 Reaper is a game-changer in modern warfare, providing a decisive advantage in the fight against terrorism. Chapter 4. The Floating Fortress Nimitz-class Aircraft Carrier. Get ready to be blown away because we're about to step aboard a true titan of the seas, a symbol of American naval dominance that will leave you speechless. The Nimitz-class Aircraft Carrier. This is not just a ship, it's a floating city, a mobile military base that projects American power across the globe. Picture this, a massive airfield, longer than the Empire State Building is tall, cutting through the waves at over 30 knots. That's the Nimitz-class Carrier, a 100,000-ton behemoth that carries a crew of over 6,000 sailors and can house up to 90 aircraft. We're talking fighter jets, bombers, helicopters, you name it, this floating fortress has it all. It's like a scene out of Top Gun, except it's happening 24/7, 365 days a year, all over the world. These carriers are essentially self-contained cities with their own power plants, hospitals, restaurants, even their own postal code. The Nimitz-class carrier is a testament to American engineering and shipbuilding prowess, a symbol of our unwavering commitment to maintaining a strong naval presence around the globe. It's a reminder that when it comes to protecting our interests and our allies, we will always be there, ready to answer the call. Chapter 5. The Unstoppable Force. M1 Abrams Tank. Hold on tight because we're about to roll into battle with the undisputed king of the battlefield, the M1 Abrams Tank. This is not just a tank, it's a rolling fortress, a symbol of American might that strikes fear into the hearts of our enemies. Imagine this. You're on the battlefield, the ground is shaking, and in the distance, you see a wall of steel approaching. That's the M1 Abrams, a 70-ton behemoth that's as powerful as it is intimidating. This tank is built for one thing, to dominate. It's armed with a 120mm smoothbore cannon that can fire rounds capable of piercing the toughest armor. And it's protected by a composite armor so advanced that it can withstand hits from even the most powerful anti-tank weapons. But the M1 Abrams is more than just a brute force weapon. It's also incredibly agile for its size. It can reach speeds of over 40 miles per hour, maneuver through rough terrain with ease, and its advanced fire control system allows it to hit targets with pinpoint accuracy, even while on the move. This tank is a testament to American engineering and manufacturing prowess, a symbol of our unwavering commitment to providing our troops with the best equipment in the world. Chapter 6. The Ultimate Deterrent Minuteman III. Hold your breath because we're about to go deep underground into the heart of America's nuclear deterrent, a weapon so powerful it's shrouded in secrecy and whispered about in hushed tones. I'm talking about the Minuteman III intercontinental ballistic missile, the ultimate weapon of last resort. Imagine this, a silo hidden somewhere in the vast American landscape, housing a missile capable of delivering a nuclear warhead to a target thousands of miles away in a matter of minutes. That's the Minuteman III, a weapon so powerful it can level entire cities, a stark reminder of the destructive power humanity possesses. This missile is a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity, both awe-inspiring and terrifying in its capabilities. It can travel at speeds of over 15,000 miles per hour, evading enemy defenses and delivering its payload with incredible accuracy. The Minuteman III is a weapon of last resort, a deterrent designed to prevent war, not start it. It's a silent guardian, a reminder that any attack on America or its allies will be met with swift and devastating retaliation. The Minuteman III is a stark reminder of the fragility of peace, the importance of diplomacy, and the need for a world free from the threat of nuclear war. Chapter 7. The Future of Warfare. Directed Energy Weapons. DWs. Buckle up because we're about to blast into the future of warfare, where lasers rule the battlefield and science fiction becomes reality. I'm talking about directed energy weapons, or DWs, a game-changing technology that's poised to revolutionize the way wars are fought. Imagine this, a weapon that fires beams of energy at the speed of light, instantly disabling enemy targets without a single bullet fire. That's the power of DWs, a technology that sounds like it's straight out of Star Wars, but is rapidly becoming a reality. We're talking about high-energy lasers that can shoot down missiles and drones, microwave weapons that can disable electronic systems, and particle beams that can destroy targets with incredible precision. It's the stuff of science fiction, but it's happening right now. DWs offer a number of advantages over traditional weapons. They're incredibly fast, accurate, and they never run out of ammunition. Plus, they can be used to disable enemy equipment without causing collateral damage, making them a potentially more humane option in warfare. The future of warfare is here, and it's powered by lasers, microwaves, and particle beams. And there you have it, folks, the top 7 most powerful weapons in America. From stealthy submarines to laser-wielding warships, these incredible machines represent the cutting edge of military technology and showcase the awesome power America possesses. But remember, true strength lies not just in weapons, but in the courage, skill, and dedication of the men and women who operate them. They are the true heroes, the ones who put their lives on the line every day to protect our freedom and keep us safe. So let's give a massive shout out to all the brave soldiers, sailors, airmen, and Marines who serve our country with honor and distinction. You are the real reason America remains a force to be reckoned with. These are just a few of the powerful weapons that ensure America remains a dominant force on the world stage. But as technology evolves, one thing is clear. The United States will always be at the cutting edge of military might. Which of these weapons do you think is the most powerful? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos on the incredible technology shaping our world. Thanks for watching.